I want to explain to me. You be my guy. You be my guy. I had to leave every of my schedule to make sure I did here today. Where George?
She's not around. Joy is not around. She's not
Perfect.
The thing is, bro, you know easy. Eh? Who they want hear me now? They hear me. You know easy to drop 2 women in the same house.
You don't know before.
And bro, if you don't watch me well, I need to do that mistake to support one, can't leave one. And always they the center. Because I say make I support one, can't leave one, a problem.
You won't hear the truth.
I hear you.
You won't hear the truth. You're not being fair. When talking about you don't want to support this one, leave this one. And they watch your videos. The whole world they watch. People they watch. I'm watching you. You are an adult. You're not a baby. Even though the way you take tea, you are more like a brother to me. When you wanted to take these 2 people together, I told you. I tell you. I call you. I ask outside camera when Dick left. I call you as a brother. I tell you, say, can you handle this thing? Polygamy is not a child's play. You are damn too young for this. You have a wife you married. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the second person is not your wife. Oh. I'm not saying the second person is not legally married to you. I'm not talking anything against her. What I'm trying to say is that you have a legally married wife. I tell you, can you handle this thing? You said yes. Picking what they carry for back, no, say Johnny Fa. What I get on as one man, talking about you being fair, one day I will tell you the truth. I don't go lie for you. Mary, can you give us 5 minutes, please? Thank you. Okay.
I hear you, bro.
You're not being fair. I purposely asked her to leave. You're not being fair at all.
Being fair to
I can see the way you talk to Joy when Joy would they talk about expectation.
Joy is pregnant, bro.
Oh, they use this in the back in the phone when what is this? Your man will carry your belly, your man will born you. Have you not seen pregnant? Couple online, is this how pregnant people behave? Stop allowing her to use that umbrella of pregnancy to get away with everything she's doing. She's pregnant, then you talk to her calmly. The one is baby, you raise your voice. I don't feel life for you, don't feel life for. I purposely asked her to leave, not be like say yes, I heard with this fellow, so I had to talk to one person in a very, very calm way, then the other person are against them. No. And because I was not around, I came late for Joy's wedding. I know where I live, far to reach there, but I don't almost finish. You know, if you want to carry polygamy, if you buy cloth 3,000 for this one, buy cloth 3,000 for this one. If you're talking to the first wife with high voice, make sure when the second wife do something wrong, talk to her with the same high voice. Leave pregnancy. Don't be sentimental here,
bro. I'm not being sentimental. What I'm trying to say is, they are my wives, right? The way I tell they do this one and the way I tell they do this one. It's obvious she's pregnant and I don't even have to yell at her. I don't even have to shout at her. Sometimes I shout for joy. I do shout for joy.
Privately or where?
Who's pregnant? I shout for anyone I want to shout for her. No, I didn't shout for joy, bro.
The videos why they see. The other day she stopped you from going to work, telling you to make a refund money.
Bro, they shout for joy. Who no. There was one video I shouted at her. I shouted at her very badly. She was even telling me I'm upset on the shout for her. But I shout for her because if person they fuck up me, I declare you my own mind fast. Now so me I be. So I dey shout for joy. I need to support one person, leave one person. I can never do that. You hear me?
At this point now, calm down. Nobody to fight with you. I'm not here to quarrel. I'm not here to raise voice. I'm not coming to the argument. No allow who enter us hear our voice. Let's behave like men. Igbo men that we are. Let's be matured. I told you something about getting an apartment for this lady. Make she day. Bro, even if you can't get an apartment, make she go back to her mom.
This lady is carrying my child. Joy is not living anywhere. Joy is not leaving my house. No, they talk this thing, bro.
You know your problem.
She's not leaving my house.
You know your problem. You don't relax. You don't think before you talk.
She's not leaving my house. Bro.
Do you think at all before you
make some certain
statements?
I know how I'm going to do my thing. But why would you say Joy should leave?
I'm not saying leave. You're making it look as if I'm asking her to pack and go. Hold on, let me break this down to you now. There is what they call, at least lady. You need to have time with this lady that you just reconciled. It's barely 2 weeks. I'm very sure that get a hair makeup for 3-4 times.
Who told you? Only now what get that stuff.
Or getting the third or fourth day when you guys enter the third or fourth day, where she go to your house. Nine, your second wife get the talk say she wants stay, she misses. Imagine the lady that went out of her husband's bedroom for the second one to enter. That is the 100% definition of I want peace. Very short. See, nobody could take her for every boyfriend. Talk more of husband. The lady need time to spend time with you. The way this one get pregnant, this one get pregnant. You know, say you go to sweet Mary to carry her own belly. Is it because she's not saying it out? Deep down in her heart, she's burning. Nobody asked me to come and tell you this. I just couldn't take it. People don't disturb my DM tire. Deep down in my heart, this lady is craving to have her own child. And she can't do that when she's not emotionally balanced, when she's not mentally balanced, when she's not physically calm. Pregnancy will work with your body system. If intimidation is coming from here and there, pressure, talk up and down, but you're not even having 100. I know you're very busy. You're very, oh, no, I know. People think it's just about social media. No, apart from that, you're a very hardworking person. You know the day. At least trace out time. Make this person say vomit after 2 weeks. If you get it too picky, nothing bad. If this one born, you know, this one born, everybody go. That is when I know you're not sentimental. Everything is equal. I know you're not God that gives children. But in the long run, if you can impregnate this one in a very short while, sorry for using that thing, you can as well do it to the next person. That is your wife, your first wife when you marry. Nobody's asking her to go like pack and load and leave. I don't even have the right to tell you to ask her to pack. Are you married? If you want married to John, the only thing I owe you is to come and follow you there and do the celebration with you. That's all. Nothing else. Nothing else. And if you feel you want the two of them to say anything else, caution. Okay, why you go draw? Talk to her. I saw the video she's making. I knew you can't go through that length of preparation where your guys don't know their way. She bought her, you bought her wedding, you want to buy a wedding gown for her. All those things are childish. She doesn't need it. She don't need them. Thank God for the new. You know Mary before. If not before, Mary want to know. Yeah. She don't be that. Thank God she's so, I don't know spiritual now. She's so very calm this period. Nothing there outside. Probably she looked out, she don't see talk, see nothing there outside. Who hold you whole and well? You just want to do video. I talk about it. It's bringing more confusion. Address the issue amongst the two of them. Talk about it. If there should be a rape, now what do you carry you? What is so you rape? You don't order for container in your land. You make a roster for these two women. Okay, you are coming from Monday till Thursday. Thursday till the next Monday is for your second wife to come and stay on the bed. Make everybody know their time, know what they are doing, know the time that they own you. So nobody will be angry that the next person is in the room, or nobody will be angry that, okay, this night I'm not sleeping with you, the other person is sleeping with you. You be man, I understand, you understand perfectly well all these things. You know what they talk about, and you get conscience. Don't let people start looking at you with one hate or come they turn against you, they look. You're a philanthropist, you give, you show love. What they didn't know you can love, now your ability to give, to make everything equal, even when you don't get. At times, I'm not going to really shout to give you. You don't really have much, but you want to spend and pay for somebody's surgery, pay for this one, pay for that one, even when you don't really have enough. Now it's in your own family, now you can even fix it and make sure you fix it very well. The same love, you've been settling people's case. Plenty blind dates you've done, you go settle boyfriend and girlfriend, you go date together, your own knock on the heart. Truly, they say, pastor, no, they deliver himself, doctor, no, they cure himself. But at this point, you should help yourself, even if somebody will help you. If person hold ladder for you, now you go feel climb. You can't just keep the ladder and start climbing on your own. Person will hold ladder for you before you start climbing. You're not a kid, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't let this lady feel bad. Don't let the other person too feel bad. The other person is carrying her. Don't let the other person too feel bad. Deep down, I know what this lady do you. I'm aware. She insulted me more now. Don't make I know they come your place. Talk all sorts of people give refresh you won't talk. Make I ask you, are you still having those things in mind? Like I understand it. See, a trust is like a broken glass. I don't know if you're understanding it. Once broken, it is hard to fix. You are a man. Once in a while, I know say yes. You will still get flashback of those things. you go still really say, okay, we get what this lady do. You know, going to see her, they cannot call names, and the rest of them, the lies from the parents' side, everything. You know, they will still come back. But if you know you really love this person, overlook those things. Do you really still love her? Answer the question. I want to hear that from you. Be my guy. Tell me true. Don't just keep her out of pity. Don't just keep her probably because you're feeling pity for her, or you don't want what people would say. Don't please others and displease yourself. Only man before why if you know you still love her, which I know deep. I don't want to talk about myself. Answer me, do you still love this very day?
Normal question, bro. I do. I've forgiven her. God being witness, I have nothing in my mind concerning Mary. No. We dey talk, and my wife. We dey talk well, we're together. So I don't know where this is coming from, but for me, I'm good with my wife. You understand? I'm good with all of them. I don't have any issues. No, I don't.
Are you sure?
I don't get any issue, man. I don't have any issue.
If you know you're good with your wife, you don't have an issue, then prove it. Make everything balanced. Address the issue of this one talking to this one coming back to talk to this one. Or why everywhere, bam, none because if you want, they just end up spoiling your name. You might know how long it took you years to build. I'm not asking you to tell the mother of your unborn child to go. You know, am I asking for this one to go to? Since you're capable, people will get 2 picking, some get 3. You're even older than them. Some are not even up to the way you are, where God don't bless you small. Yet they are taking care of you, they get 2 wives. So you can as well have more if you want to, but this 2 way you get whole and make everything there equal. I don't want to come here and say, okay, this one is bad or this one is good, this one is good, this one is bad. Treat everybody one, make the day straight up. Let everybody have fun and be okay. It's not too much to ask.
Everybody's okay, bro. Everybody, trust me, everything is fine.
Oh, wow.
But I'm not supporting. I'm not get power to call this up. Say I want to support Mary fully, or call this say I want to support Joy fully. I'm not going to do any of that thing. No. I know what I face. I know what I don't see.
Oh, now you talk. You know where we come from.
So I'm not supporting any of them.
Don't take us back. If far.
I'm not supporting any of them. No. Yeah, we are cool. We're cool. They are my wife. Yes, no doubt. But I'm not supporting any of them.
Yeah, be cool. Mama, you behave like that man that you are. If you see what is not wrong, address her immediately. That is what makes you a man. Speak out, talk out. Yeah, why I don't like this thing. One giddy. One verse, make it verse that time. I know you love them. Let me know use how you love them so very well. Treat them like when they born 1, 2, 3 picking. That's just the example of it. Treat them all equally, the same thing. If you buy for this one, buy for this one. If you do for this one, do for this one. Ask one, get better now. What's the second? You come busy and the second one, come get first one, never get. How am I going to still on that? She will still feel someone like a place is being taken or something. We are not here to do politics or to know who they hire past who. No, they are all equal. They are your wives. I don't even like the situation whereby they also, okay, this is first. They say they are both your wives. In as much as we know that, okay, this one is first, this one is second. If this one comes, as this one is pregnant, now he'll be about second one now. First one, what do they do on someone? They are women, they are bound to get jealous. Only one na problem, can't be 2. They are bound to get jealous. So if you know what you will do, sharpen your this Eva. You look okay. You look in your name, man. Or be those in the Bible. I don't talk as being real.
You talk your no, there's nothing I have to say.
Call her, come.
I'm meeting her. Mary! Mary! I don't need to say.
Just leave it right for you. I don't want to get jealous. I don't want to get on there for like. You talking like this. What's up now? How are you? Are you okay? Are you cool?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You didn't wait down again and make a the one thing to romantic. Am
I not romantic? Yeah.
Wait, tell me the truth. Is it being romantic? Has it been romantic?
I'm romantic, though. Yeah, because I want it used to be.
It's trying, right?
It's trying.
Jide who you got.
Which one is I'm trying? Now every time person they romantic.
I don't understand.
You don't think it's easy to be romantic? Go marry now.
You know, okay.
Go marry.
You don't judge people, they tell me go marry. Nice one. What?
Go marry. You say that is easy. Make him marry. It's not time to come marry. Tell why not to go marry now.
She can't even tell. That was dead. She will tell me that. She can't even say it now.
Why? Go marry.
She can't. You know you get right to tell me, and I will take somebody else now.
Go marry.
Stony eye.
It thinks it is easy.
Do you know who you can't because? Nah, make your hand. Mary, lie on his body. Lie on his body. Lie on his body. Oh wow! I bet what's the kitchen? Mom, I bring from America, child. Ah, it's fine. Pound, right? It's okay. It's okay.
So tired. Tired.
Tired. Let wine. I'm not gonna let John. Let wine. God just carry blessing, give you. Yeah, boy, blessing where you don't even deserve. Can I give you just just bless you for nothing.
Now who don't cross bridge, know how it be. Now you sound like my brother. You know, go we're all fine, we're good. Thank God.
It's not what I want to hear. Make everybody fine. Make everybody good.